Hello student, this one is our hello student, this one is our fourth problem on not for profit concern. Okay, this one is our third problem on not for profit, fourth one problem on not or profit concern. See, this one is a problem. I'll read first one problem, and using that one problem you are required to prepare only income and expenditure account. In examination, either you solve expenditure account or income account. I'll read problem here. Following is a receipt and payment account of Star Citizen Association Mumbai for the year ending 31st March 2012. Our accounting year 1st April 2011 to 31st March 2012. Everybody understood our our financial year is 1st April 2011 to 31st March 12. The given receipt and payment. See, receipt side we see all receipt balances and payment side all payment balances. Okay, see, I'll read one by one one particulars. To balance brought down is the opening balance of last is a closing balance of last year. Current year opening balances means cash balance 5,500. Then they given subscription amount for 3 years. Okay, everybody know our current year is what, 2011-12. So our current year balance is what, 81,500. करंट ईयर बैलेंस इज व्हाट 81,500. कि कौन सा बैलेंस है 81,500. 2010-11 they given 3,900. 11-12 81,500. 2012-13 2,500. Total subscription amount 87,900. Okay, the next entrance fees rupees 2,000 under bracket they given are to be capitalized. This is a hidden adjustment. Here they mention that whole entrance fees are to be capitalized. Then next one, to donation rupees 50,000. Next, legacies rupees 10,000. Everybody know legacies means gift or donation given by person as per his will after his death. याद रहेगा सबको. This one is a very important concept related to objective. What is a legacy? Legacies means is a gift or donation given by person to or organization to NPO, yeah, not for concern, after as per his will or after as per his will after death. Legacies means क्या है, तो is a one type of donation or gift that can be given by other person to organization as per his will after his death. Okay, to interest on deposit 30,000. to picnic receipt 5,750. पिकनिक रिसीट है मीन्स हमेशा याद रखो रिसीट साइड में जितने भी बैलेंसेस आपको दिए हैं वो हमारे लिए सारे बैलेंसेस क्या होते हैं, ऑलवेज इनकम होते हैं. रिसीट मतलब रिसीवेबल या रिसीव्ड अमाउंट. रिसीट मतलब रिसीव्ड अमाउंट. दैट्स व्हाई रिसीट्स all balances is always income. Then payment side. The payment side they given first balance postage and telegram 1,500. By stationery purchase, here the stationery purchase 6,000. Fixed deposit 1 lakh. Picnic expenses 7,900. Salaries 20,000. By annual general meeting expenses 4,500. If they conduct any annual general meeting, then they include expenses here or under as a head annual general meeting expenses. Okay. Then insurance premium insurance premium 3450 in then by sundry expenses 4800. Sundry expenses means all type of expenses. Then the given furniture 26,000, balance carried down 17,000. Okay. In a payment side, both one balances recorded, expenses and as well as assets. See, here fixed deposit is a asset and as well as furniture, and balance carried down we consider here cash in hand or cash at a bank. Okay, here we consider cash or bank balance. Okay, that's why in a payment side we see assets and as well as expenditure balances. Postage and telegram is expenditure, stationery expenditure, fixed deposit assets, picnic expenses expenditure, salaries expenditure, annual general meeting expenditure, insurance premium expenditure, sundry expenses expenditure, furniture asset, and balance carried down is a cash or bank balance. That's why is our assets. The next, the given adjustment outstanding picnic receipt 4250. Here outstanding income means picnic receipt is 4250. Furniture was purchased on 1st October 2011. It is to be depreciated at 10% per annum. Here we purchase furniture on 1st October. That's why here we calculate depreciation for 6 months, for 6 months only. How 6 months? From 1st October to 31st March, total 6 months. 1st October, November, December, January, February, March. The total month is what? 6. So we calculate depreciation on furniture for 6 months only at 10% per annum. Outstanding subscription for current year is what? 11-12, amounted rupees 8500. Stock of stationery 1st April 2011 was rupees 650 and 31st March 2012 was 1150. Always remember, a stock of stationery or any stock balance on 1st April is opening balances and 31st March is what? Closing balance. Okay, 1st April is opening balance and 31st March is closing balance. Entire amount of legacies and 50% of donation are to be capitalized. Here whole amount of legacies capitalized and donation 50% capitalized. Capitalized means what? That can be we consider as capital fund. Okay, then solution only one is here. That's why we prepare here only income and expenditure as per our here. I'll give one first one heading. Heading is what? In the books of Star Citizens Association, Mumbai. Then I'll prepare income and expenditure account. See expenditure account, we see all expenses which can be we see under head payment, postage and telegram, stationery, picnic expenses, salaries, annual general meeting expenses, insurance premium, sundry expenses, that can be we recorded here. See, that can be we recorded here. Postage and telegram, stationery, picnic expenses, salaries, annual general meeting expenses, insurance premium, and sundry expenses. Okay, and income side we recorded subscription we recorded for current year is 11-12, and amount is what? Amount is 81,500. So sorry, we recorded here 81,500 adjustment on that. Then entrance fees income side, donation income side, legacies income side, interest on deposit income side, picnic receipt means receivable amount, that's why income side. Then we solve one by one adjustment. First one adjustment, outstanding picnic receipt rupees 4,250. Picnic receipt is our income, so outstanding receipt we add under 5,750 plus 4,250, total is what? 10,000. Okay, so our first adjustment here, picnic receipt is our income, means outstanding income, so first effect add under that particular income, and second effect balance sheet asset side. Always remember, if any outstanding, any income, then first effect add under that income, and second effect balance sheet asset side. If that particular is outstanding expenses, then add under expenses and second effect balance sheet liability side. ऑलवेज याद रखो, अगर वहाँ पे आउटस्टैंडिंग इनकम है तो उन इनकम के अंदर ऐड एंड सेकेंड इफेक्ट जाएगा बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड. आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस है तो ऐड होगा उस एक्सपेंसेस के अंदर एंड सेकेंड इफेक्ट जाएगा बैलेंस शीट लायबिलिटी साइड. ओके, देन सेकेंड एडजस्टमेंट फर्नीचर वॉज परचेज ऑन 1st October and is to be depreciated at 10% per annum. See, here the furniture amount is what? 26,000. How many? 26,000. So on 26,000 we calculate 10%. 10% amount is what? 2,300. 2,600 is a 10% amount, and calculate for 6 months only. So 6 months is what? Half amount of that one, 1,300. 1,300. So depreciation will less from that assets, and second effect, income and expenditure account. In expenditure side, depreciation on furniture for 6 months rupees 1,300. Clear? हाउ टू कैलकुलेट दैट वन अमाउंट, कैसे कैलकुलेट की हमने? तो 26,000 ऑन 26,000 कैलकुलेट 10% and then after calculate for 6 months only, then we get this one amount. So if the depreciation first effect less from that particular asset, and second effect expenditure side. Okay, next, third one adjustment, outstanding subscription for current year rupees 8,500. current year outstanding hai, so we add under subscriptions, so we add under that particular subscriptions, current year subscription amount 81,500, then we add 8,500, then we get whole amount rupees 90,000. Clear? Then next adjustment, stock of stationery on 1st April 650 and on 31st March 1,150. See, then we recorded stock per stationery purchase under add opening stock. Opening stock means what? 1st April balance 650 and less closing stock. So closing stock second effect we recorded balance sheet asset side. Always remember again here opening stock we recorded only here, but closing stock second effect we recorded balance sheet asset side. Using that one adjustment we got exact consumption of stock. Okay, consumption of that particular stock. Yeah, stationery. So how can we calculate consumption of stationery? Opening balance add करो and closing balance क्या करो? Less करो. Then we got exact consumption of stationery. Okay, everybody understood? Fourth one adjustment. ओपनिंग स्टॉक है तो ऐड करना है, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक है तो क्या करना है? लेस करना है. देन वी गॉट exact consumption. Last one adjustment, entire amount of legacies. Legacies means everybody know. Okay, focus on this one adjustment. Entire amount of legacies means whole amount of legacies are to be capitalized and 50% of donation are to be capitalized. जो भी legacies की amount है, legacies की amount है 10,000, that can be capitalized. Wholly amount capitalized 10,000 minus 10,000 capitalization, remaining amount nil. And donation amount is what? 50,000. How many? 50,000. On 50,000 50%, 25,000. So we less 25,000 from that, and then remaining balance is what? 25,000. Whatever amount is capitalized, that can be we add under capital fund. Capitalization means what? That one amount we use as a capital fund to run or execute organization. Okay, everybody understood? How many adjustment we learn here? 5 adjustment we learn. First one adjustment, outstanding income means outstanding receipt, picnic receipt. First effect we recorded at under that particular receipt, and second effect where we recorded balance sheet asset side. Okay, it's the first adjustment. Second adjustment, depreciation on furniture for 6 months only. So we recorded first effect less from that furniture, and second effect income expenditure side. Third adjustment, subscription of outstanding subscription. Then third adjustment we add under that particular subscription, and second effect balance sheet asset side. Fourth adjustment is related to stock of stationery. So we add here opening balance less closing balance, and second effect balance sheet asset side. Last one adjustment, capitalization of legacies and donation, that can be capitalized. That whole effect we recorded here, and second effect we recorded balance sheet as liability side, add under capital fund. Okay, इस प्रॉब्लम में हमने सिर्फ और सिर्फ सॉल्व किए हैं इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट, नॉट अ बैलेंस शीट. ओके, एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड? एंड एज वेल एज आई एक्सप्लेन सेकेंड इफेक्ट ऑल्सो कि उसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट कहाँ पे जाएगा. ओके, फर्स्ट वन का समझ में आया, फर्स्ट वन एडजस्टमेंट का समझ में आया, फर्स्ट इफेक्ट कहाँ पे और सेकेंड इफेक्ट कहाँ पे. फर्स्ट इफेक्ट तो हमने यहाँ पे किया है, ऐड किया है उस रिसीट के अंदर. सेकेंड इफेक्ट जाएगा उसका बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड. सेकेंड एडजस्टमेंट थी डेप्रिसिएशन रिलेटेड. टू डेप्रिसिएशन रिलेटेड आपको सबको पता ही है कि उसका फर्स्ट इफेक्ट जाता है लेस फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर एसेट, एंड सेकेंड इफेक्ट एक्सपेंडिचर साइड. थर्ड एडजस्टमेंट थी आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन. तो आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन है, दैट्स वाई उसका फर्स्ट इफेक्ट जाएगा ऐड अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन, एंड सेकेंड इफेक्ट बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड. फोर्थ वन एडजस्टमेंट है, वहाँ पे स्टेशनरी है, स्टॉक दिया है, तो ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऐड होगा, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक लेस होगा, और क्लोजिंग स्टॉक का सेकेंड इफेक्ट जाएगा बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड. क्लियर एवरीबडी? एंड लास्ट वन एडजस्टमेंट थी रिलेटेड टू कैपिटलाइजेशन। तो यहाँ पे हमने कैपिटलाइजेशन किया है दोनों अमाउंट का, एंड डोनेशन एंड लीगेसीज। यहाँ पे एंट्रेंस फीस जो भी थी वो हिडन एडजस्टमेंट थी, तो दैट कैन बी ऑटोमेटिकली कैपिटलाइज, ऑलरेडी मेंशन ना प्रॉब्लम, दैट्स वाई वी होल अमाउंट कैपिटलाइज। एंड सेकेंड इफेक्ट कहाँ पे जाएगा उसका, कैपिटल फंड के अंदर। अभी एक बार फिर से सारे प्रॉब्लम के स्क्रीनशॉट निकालो, बिकॉज यू हैव टू राइट दैट टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इन योर नोटबुक। जो भी प्रॉब्लम मैंने हैंड राइटिंग में दिए हैं वो कंपलसरी आपको आपके नोटबुक में नोट डाउन करने हैं। सो टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस problem and then take a screenshot of solution also. Okay, the next one, what we learn today, entrance fees are to be capitalized because it's a hidden adjustment. Okay, हमने तो वहाँ पे देखा वो क्या थी, हिडन एडजस्टमेंट थी, तो हिडन एडजस्टमेंट होल अमाउंट भी कैपिटलाइज। ओके, आज के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट एडजस्टमेंट वो थे स्टॉक ऑफ स्टेशनरी एंड फर्नीचर, डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन फर्नीचर। तो ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑलवेज ऐड होगा एंड क्लोजिंग स्टॉक लेस होगा, देन आफ्टर वी गेट कंजम्पशन ऑफ स्टॉक और स्टेशनरी। फर्नीचर के ऊपर जब भी डेप्रिसिएशन निकालना है वो निकालना है एज पर डेट। अगर डेट नहीं दी जाती है तो हम पूरे साल का निकालते हैं, अदरवाइज एज पर डेट। ये थे आज के एडजस्टमेंट जो इम्पोर्टेंट है वो हमने पढ़े थे। ओके, आई थिंक एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड होल एडजस्टमेंट। थैंक यू।